Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a file embed to Weebly. This is a great way to display documents like PDFs directly on your website, making it easy for visitors to view important files without having to download them first. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and head over to elfsite.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can access all of Elfsite's widgets and tools. Now focus on the left side menu of your screen. Here you'll see several options for managing your apps. Click on Add New App. This will open up a library of available widgets that you can integrate into your website. In the search bar at the top, type in the file type you want to embed. For example, if you're looking to embed a PDF, simply type PDF into the search bar. From the results that appear, click on PDF Embed. This widget is specifically designed to help you display PDF files seamlessly on your site. Next, you'll be presented with various templates to choose from, browse through them, and select the one that best fits your website's design and functionality. Once you've made your choice, click Continue with this template. This takes you to the customization page where you can adjust settings to match your needs. When you're satisfied with your setup, look to the upper right corner and click Publish. This activates your file embed widget. After publishing, navigate back to your Elfsite main page where you'll see all your created widgets listed. Locate the file embed that you just created. Click on the three dots next to it to open a menu, and then select Embed Code. A window will pop up displaying the code you need. Go ahead and copy this code, as you'll need it in the next step. Now, open a new tab and go to Weebly.com. Make sure you're logged into your Weebly account and have your website editor open at the top menu. Ensure you're on the Build menu. This is where you'll add and edit elements on your site. Focus on the left side panel where all the elements are listed. Look for the embed code element. If you don't see it right away, simply click Show All Elements to expand the list. Once you've found the embed code element, drag it onto your website where you want the file to appear. Click on the element you just dragged onto your page. A menu will appear, and from there, click Edit Custom HTML. This opens a text box where you can paste code. Simply paste the embedded code you copied from Elfsite into this text box, and that's it. You've successfully added a file embed to your Weebly website, allowing visitors to view your documents directly on your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.